Maybe have another round of walleye fish tacos. So, yeah, there you go. What is it?
Oh, it's nice. Here.
Oh, you barely have.
Another nice eater.
Need it?
Nice looking walleye. We'll take that. Got another one.
Oh! Something else that's minis, and then frying oil. There it is, bacon, Gouda on the bottom, fresh walleye. We'll see how it is. That's solid. What do you guys think? That's really good. Wilderness meal, but man, it's like a gourmet wilderness meal. So, cheers.
Ben was laughing at me. Yeah, he's wolfing down the same thing. What are you laughing about?